How to create. First, create a new document these dimensions. Now take the Type tool, adjust the size and type. Select the text. You can search for black and you will find. Now right-click on the letter and select Create Outlines. Grab the Direct Selection tool. Choose the left part of the letter. Click the Selection tool and drag it to the left. Now swap its fill color to gradient. Go to Effect Pixelate and select Mutant. Zoom out the preview. Select Long Lines, type and OK. Once the pixelate effect is applied, take the Gradient tool and adjust the effect on the letter. Go to Object and select Expand Appearing. Now go to File and select Place to import an image from your storage drive. Drag the image on the letter to place on. Right-click on the image and go to Arrange and select Center Back. Adjust the image. Select both image and letter. Go to Window and select Appearance. In the Appearance panel, click on Opacity and click on Make Mask. Tick on Invert Mask. You can now change the background. Follow these steps. Comment your problems. Thanks for watching.